Have you ever wondered if the infinite expanse of space has a soundtrack? If so, what would it sound like? Would it be a symphony of celestial bodies or a silent void? Today we dive into the fascinating world of low-frequency sounds in space. Now you might be thinking, hold on a minute, isn't space a vacuum? And indeed, you'd be right. Space is a vacuum, devoid of air or any other medium for sound to travel through. So in the conventional sense, sound, as we understand it on Earth, doesn't exist in space. But here's where it gets interesting. While space may be a vacuum, it's not a perfect one. There are sparse particles of matter scattered throughout. Now, when these particles interact, they can create what scientists refer to as plasma waves. These plasma waves, in turn, can be converted into sound waves that we can hear. These sounds, though, aren't anything like what we're used to hearing. They're not the melodious notes of a songbird or the soothing hum of a breeze. Instead, they're low-frequency sounds much too low for the human ear to detect. These are the sounds of space. But how do we know they exist if we can't hear them? Well, that's where space probes like Voyager and Cassini come in. These spacecraft are equipped with special instruments that can detect and record these plasma waves. They then send this data back to Earth, where scientists convert them into frequencies that the human ear can hear. And what a strange symphony it is! From the eerie whistles and whooshes of Jupiter's magnetic field to the rhythmic pulsations of a neutron star, each celestial body belts out its unique tune. It's the cosmic equivalent of a whale's song, echoing through the vast ocean of space. So to summarize, while space may be a vacuum, it's not completely silent. Thanks to the sparse particles of matter that interact to create plasma waves, space has its own unique soundtrack. These low-frequency sounds, while undetectable to the human ear, can be recorded and converted into audible frequencies by space probes. This revelation adds a whole new layer to our understanding of the universe. It reminds us that space is not just a visual spectacle, but an auditory one as well. And who knows what other secrets the sounds of space may reveal as we continue to explore the cosmos. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just looking at a sea of stars. You're looking at a cosmic orchestra, each star playing its part in the grand symphony of the universe. And while you may not hear it, rest assured the music is playing and it's a tune like no other. Like no